Hi everybody, welcome to the weekend edition of ePrime. I'm Daedran. 1.4 billion views on YouTube. Sean Paul and Dua Lipa's No Lie continues to see success.
I wanted to get to you, and I would not like to pay for you. Oops, I would not eat. No lie. Tell you never meant to.
Feel your eyes, they all over me. Don't be shy, take control of me. Get the vibe, it's gonna be lit tonight.
The 2016 track has been certified triple platinum in New Zealand after accumulating 45,000 units in combined sales and streaming equivalent. Now, this song picked up its first platinum certification back in 2021 and was upgraded to double platinum in 2023. No Lie served as the lead single from Sean Paul's Mad Love, the prequel EP, and was later featured on Dua Lipa's Complete Edition album. Now, talking about certifications, Shaggy's classic hit Angel, that's me, has picked up another certification.
Girl, you're my angel, you're my darling angel. Closer than my peeps, you are to me, baby.
The track, which features Rayvon, is now 4 times platinum in New Zealand, recognizing 60,000 units in sales and streaming equivalent. The song is also 3 times platinum in Australia and has been certified platinum in the United Kingdom, gold in France, with additional certifications across several European markets, including Sweden, the Netherlands, Denmark, Belgium, Switzerland, and Norway. Now, on the international scene, American Olympic track star Sha'Carri Richardson finds herself in hot water. The Olympic gold medalist has been arrested for dangerous excessive speeding. Reports are that she was booked in the Orange County Jail in Florida on Thursday. Richardson has been charged with dangerous driving and at excessive speed of 100 miles per hour or more. A spokesperson for the Orange County Sheriff stated that the track star was allegedly traveling at 104 miles per hour, tailgating and crossing lanes of traffic to pass other drivers. Her bond was set at $500. In August, Richardson was arrested over allegations of domestic violence. She was released the following day and later said she would seek help. Now, Pharrell Williams offers a word of prayer not for himself, but for U.S. leaders. He said, "I want to pray for the leaders of this nation and the powers that be." Now, he mentioned this on Thursday at a pre-Grammy event celebrating Black music's cultural power, where he received the Dr. Dre Global Impact Award. He added that he is praying that they find it in their hearts to have some empathy and grace, and most importantly, mercy for people who may not have been born in this country, but love it just as much. Williams was one of 3 honorees at the 4th annual event, which celebrates artists whose influence extend far beyond music. Dr. Dre highlighted Williams' impact across music, fashion, philanthropy, and entrepreneurship. He said that Williams has consistently leveraged his music, fashion, and culture to advocate for social change. R&B mainstay Brandy and gospel trailblazer Kirk Franklin each received the Black Music Icon Award. That's it for your weekend edition of ePrime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.